Hey, it's your girl Laketta back here with another makeup tutorial. Here's just something a little natural for my natural beauties, an everyday natural makeup look, something easy for even beginners to do. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, just continue to watch. Alright beauties, as always, we're going to start off with a little primer on the eyelid, and that's going to be the Benefit Cosmetic Lemonade that I'm using today. Now that product is definitely discontinued, but I still had some of the product left. So yes, I use this to brighten up my eyelids so that way the colors just pop a little bit more. So that's what you see me doing here. Just make sure that it's, it's well blended. Now just to get my face prepped, I am using the Image Skincare Vital C Serum. I put that all over my face. Now just with the neutral brown and any eyeshadow palette that you have, I believe that one, it was my Morphe palette, I just put that all over my eyelid, and then I just buffed it into my crease a little bit. This look is all about, just the natural look. This particular day I was going out somewhere, and I already had on like a glitter top, so I didn't want, just be really over the top, which I mean I could have been, but I just wouldn't feel it because I have the big hair, the glitter, so I had to have something be a little neutral, okay? I'm just going to continue on the other side, just packing on that neutral brown color. I think that's a medium brown that I'm using on my eyelid, just to give it that that soft earthy touch to it. And you just keep packing it on until you get it to the vibrancy that you want it. So everybody's makeup is left up to their interpretation, so that's what I just like to always say that. So now going over that, I am using the Juvia's Place. I believe this color is Senegal. It's like a rustic looking color. So I'm just packing that all over my eyelid. Continue to do the same thing to the other side. Just keep packing it on, my beauties. Just pack it, pack it, pack it. Hey, pack it, pack it, pack it, pack it, pack it, pack it, pack it. I will make a song out of anything, but pack that thing on till you get it to the vibrancy that you like it. Now I'm going to go back into my Morphe 35C palette, and I am going to get a deeper brown. And now I'm just going to start concentrating on my outer V just to give it a little bit more depth, to smoke those ends out just a little bit. So just continue to, right now I'm just placing the product, and then I'll go back in and I'll blend. I like to do product placement, and then I like to go back in and blend. What I'm looking for, okay? But I was looking for something, huh? Oh, I guess I was getting my glitter together. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of sparkle. Now this is a glitter that I got way back in the day when Danessa Myrick first started out, like when she started first doing her DVDs and she started making products. And I still have a lot of the products that she sent me. When I ordered one of her CDs the first time, for some reason it didn't arrive on time, and she herself actually made a call to me, and it was such a sweet thing. So I spoke with her, and she said, not only am I sending you your DVDs that you ordered, but I'm also sending you some other things. And she also put some of like her glitters. Like I have a couple of her products because she was so gracious enough to give me something a little extra, because she thought at the time that, hey, you know, I didn't, you know, deliver the package, you know, I guess to how she thought she was supposed to deliver it. But I was just so grateful to even be able to speak to her, and I'm just always so grateful that she sent me her products, and to this day I still order her products. So shout out to Danessa Myrick. So I packed that glitter all over my eye, not a lot of it, just enough to give it a little sparkle. And I'm going into my tight line with the Tyra Beauty's dual coat pencil with the black side. Let me tell you something about lining your tight line. It feels so funny because I rarely do it. I only do it on like special occasions. But yeah, girl, and only when I want like my eyes to look a little bit smaller because I have naturally big eyes. So yeah. And then it's so hard doing it on camera too. Like, seriously, it's hard. Like, give us a break. You see, I'm struggling because it tickles so bad, and I'm trying my best, honey. Now, what I'm lining my eyelid with is a cake liner that's liquid activated. So I'm not sure. Oh, I believe this was Angie for it, if I'm not mistaken. All of the products that I use will be in the description below, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, you know, I normally do my infamous wing liner, and I just decided, no, I'm not going to do it this time. You know, take that one F up, you know, when somebody calling your phone or somebody calling your name in the house, you take that one F up and then you got to start all over again. I'm trying to tell y'all, this be the life of YouTubers, okay? Any entrepreneur, especially mompreneurs, because I'm a mompreneur. My kids always got something to say when I'm doing, you know, videos, but you know, hey, it is what it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to my face. I am going to use the NYX color corrector and the color orange to disguise these bags, honey. Disguise them, honey. Let me tell y'all something. One thing that I want to stress to you is to make sure you get on a consistent skincare regimen, because once you get on a consistent skincare regimen, you're going to notice a difference in your skin. You won't need a lot of foundation. I rarely put on a lot of foundation because my skin is healthy. So what I'm using right now, I am using the MAC Cosmetics NC40, and I'm just buffing that out and spreading it all over with a foundation brush. I choose to use a foundation brush first because it allows me to put the product on my face rather than using a sponge and soaking up a lot of the product. I like to use a brush, a foundation brush, spread the product over my face, and then once I get it all spreaded into where it needs to go, then I go over it with the Damp Beauty Blender to give it that airbrush quality finish, or just to give it that natural finish, because I like my foundation to just look like an added layer of my skin, you know. I don't want it to look cakey. I don't want to look fake. I want when people see me out in public, so yeah, they can tell I have on foundation, but it's so natural looking. You know what I'm saying? So once I've gotten that all into place, what I'm using this time, anything that was near me that I didn't have to get out that seat, I am using the NYX concealer palette that I have, and I'm just using a deep brown that's in